What makes our new listing a 3-bedroom unit here at Lighthouse Point so special? Well, let's start with extensive walking trails on the waterfront and beyond on the shores of Georgian Bay. The amenities here are unmatched. We have a marina, we have 2 rec centers, gym, kids playroom, we have a playground, we have a waterfront putting green, we have 9 tennis courts, 4 swimming pools. The amenities are endless, and like I said, they are unmatched. Let's go check out this amazing unit. Hope you enjoyed the tour. If you are looking to have cocktails on this gorgeous patio on this waterfront, or to see any of the listings we have in Lighthouse Point or these amazing amenities, give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you.